Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to create a Google Form questionnaire. So let's begin. First, open Google Forms by going to forms.google.com. It will take you to this page where you'll have to simply click on blank form option. Once you click blank form, it will give you this section where you can easily start making your questionnaire. So first, give your form a title. Click on untitled form, remove this text and type in your questionnaire name. You can also add the description right below it to explain what the form is about. Now, let's add your first question. So click on the untitled question section, remove this text and type in your question. Now, on the right side, you will see a drop down to choose the question type. So click on multiple choice and you will see this drop down where you can choose what kind of question it is. Things like short answer, multiple choice, checkboxes and drop down. Pick whichever fits your question. So my question will be short answer. Now anyone can simply type in their age as a text. Now you can choose whether this field is required or not. That means you're choosing whether this question is mandatory or not. Anyone filling this form must answer this question for moving to the next one. If you want to do that, simply turn this on that says required. Now, to add another question, click on plus icon, that is add question. We'll add another question, like what's your interest? Now, after typing in your question, make sure that you click on this section and choose what kind of answer you want, whether it's going to be a multiple choice or checkboxes. I'm going to choose multiple choice. Now, if you're using multiple choice or checkboxes, type in each option in the boxes below the question and click add option to add more. So to add my first option, I'll click on option 1. It will instantly place my cursor here and I will type in something like music. Now, click on add option just below, that is this section, and it will add option 2. Here we'll type in sports. Now, click on add option again and here I'll type in singing. You can also hit enter. Another option will be instantly added. Then you can simply type in your next option. Click on add option again and type in another. Now, if your added list doesn't contain the answer, you can click on this add other text that is in blue. A new option will be added saying other. The person can choose this answer if the answer is not from this list. After doing this, you can toggle on the required switch if you want to make this question mandatory. Once all your questions are added, you can customize the look of your form by clicking the paint palette icon at the top to change the color theme and header image if you'd like. So here we can change the text style for header, question and text. We can click on this and choose another text style for all these. And you can see the text style for my header, question and text is instantly changed. Also, you can increase or decrease the size of this text by selecting it from here. You can add a header image or you can change the background color of your form. So I'll choose red and the background will be instantly changed for my form. Now, after doing this, you can easily click on the publish icon at the top right and click on publish. Now, you can copy this link and share this with anyone you want. So that's how you create a Google Form questionnaire. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.